Today's task is converting between units of measurement. So how many centimetres are there in 10.81 metres? Well, it's 100 centimetres a metre. So times it by 100, each digit moves 2 places. That'll be 1081 centimetres. Times it by 100. What is 6,811 metres in kilometres? Well, there's 1,000 metres in a kilometre, so I'm dividing by 1,000. So we need to be able to remember that when we're dividing by 1,000, one way we can do it, very useful way, is write the number 6811, draw lines down. What's helpful also, because we're going to be dividing by 1,000, is to put a decimal point. Decimal point comes after the ones. We're dividing by 1,000. 1,000 has 3 zeros, so we draw 3 more lines to the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. We move each digit 3 places. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and we write it underneath. Really important, it's underneath. The 8 moves 1, 2, 3. The 1 moves 3, and the other one moves 3. Notice the digits always stay in the same order: 6811, 6811. No zeros go in between, and the decimal point doesn't move. So 6.811. 6.811. Convert 0.66 litres to millilitres. Well, it's 1,000 millilitres in a litre. So this time we're going to be times it by 1,000. We write our 0.66. Draw our lines in. Remember, the decimal point doesn't have a column, it's divided between 2 columns. This time we're timesing by 1,000, so 3 lines to the left hand side. 1, 2, 3. Move each digit. Well, we can move the 0, but it doesn't really mean anything to move it. And the decimal point doesn't move, so I can move the 6, 1, 2, 3. I can move the 6, 1, 2, 3. I've got nothing in here, so I need to put 0 as a placeholder. If we had moved this 1, 1, 2, 3, we'd have it here. It doesn't actually mean anything. Here's my ones, tens, hundreds, and then 1,000s. I was just saying no 1,000s, but there's no 10,000s either. I'm not going to put a 0 down. So 660 is the answer. Okay, the rest of it is really just revision. So grams to kilograms, 1,000 grams in a kilogram, seconds, 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour. The bit down here about a mile, it does tell you a mile is approximately 1.6 kilometres, a litre is approximately 1.75 pints. So it does give you information, and then you've got to multiply that . Well, let's just do this one because it is actually, it does take a little bit of thinking. Let's see if we can start to, let's get a 1 litre. It's approximately, so I can use this sign, 1.75 pints. Well, double 1.75. 1.75 is 1 3/4. 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4, the 1 plus 1 is 2. 3/4 plus 3/4. We're back to fractions again. Equals 6/4, which is 1.5. So I had 1, 2, 3, 3.5. 3.5 pints. And that's 2 litres. Then I double that again, double 3.5 pints. I've got my 7 pints and double my 2 litres, and that's going to be our answer. Question 2. Perimeters, distance round a shape. Important we remember that definition. So perimeters are always measured in centimetres or metres, inches or something. We mark where we want to start, and it is the distance around. So 15 plus 32 plus 10 plus 24 plus 5 plus 8 would be the perimeter. Area. Area is a multiplication, which is why it's in centimetres squared, or metres squared, whatever it happens to be. So it's 5 multiplied by 5 gives the area of A, and 2 times 7. And we can show this by drawing in the squares. If I can. 3, 4, 5, 6, Now I've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 centimetres that way, 7 centimetres that time. 2 times 7 is 14, and there are 14 squares there, all beautifully drawn. Another one about area. This one, if the square has less than half, we count as 0. If it has more than half, well, half or more than half, we count as 1. Let's go at that one. So in that case, that would be 0, 0, 0, 0. All those would count as 0. Is that half? I don't know. Possibly. So 1, 2, 3, that one's not quite, 4, 5, that's definitely not half, that's definitely 6, 7, that's got to be about half, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's try 11, see what it says for 11. Interesting to see what it says that's right or not right. Oh, it says it is right, okay. Question 3. We need to know these capacities and volumes. It's just revision from work we've covered already during this period since March. So nothing new there. Teaspoon 5 millilitres, tablespoon 3 times 15, wheelie bin about 140 litres, bath, it's going to have to be 100 litres. And then it's got some word problems. Let's just do one of the word problems. Lenny buys a gift for £3.60 and another for £4.40. So I could write £3.60 and I could write £4.40 down. So how much did she spend in total? 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1 is 0, like £1. 4, 5, 6, 7, £8. Looks like she spent £8. She gives the shop assistant £10 change, or that would be £2 then. So useful ones because this is real life things. Let's mark that. Okay, bit of revision, bit of problem solving, just to make sure that we remind ourselves of what we've done already. Hope you get on well with that.